Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris in the sales department with Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar, Iowa. And here behind me, I have a 2024 Honda Accord Touring. But we're not going to be talking about the car. We're going to be talking about a cool feature that selected models and trims will have, and that's the rain sensing windshield wipers. I'm going to show you how to turn these on, how to turn them off before you go through the car wash, and how they work a little bit. So let's get going. All right, so here we are right inside the vehicle. Now from here, guys, we have it on and running. Now we're going to come over to the wiper stick. As you get over, you're going to see some options, okay? So you have a little mist option. If you pull it back towards you, then we have an off, auto, low, and high. So a good indicator if your vehicle is going to have the rain sensing wipers if it has the auto option. If it doesn't have the auto option, it most likely does not have the rain sensing wipers in the Honda world, okay? So now what we're going to do is simply pull this bad boy up one to make sure it's off. It's off. Then from there, we're going to tap this bad boy down one little notch, and there we go. It's set to auto. I have a spray bottle here full of water. Now we're going to try to jump out and we're going to spray this bad boy down. Now as we're getting the windshield wet, the wipers will automatically start going. So there we go. Now the more you spray, the faster it gets wet. Here in a second you'll see the wipers are going to be consistently going, and it's going to speed up as it needs to. All right, so that's gonna be a rain sensing wipers right up there. How they kind of work as a visual cue for you guys. Now to turn these off before you go through the car wash, it's super simple. All you have to do is come back over here, pull it up, it does one little swipe, and now they're off. You can go through the car wash without worrying about tearing off your wipers or anything from there. Okay, so that's gonna be a rain sensing wipers 101. Once again, it's only available on selected models and trims, so double check. And a quick little visual cue, it's gonna be the auto right here, okay? I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.